Hello 6th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson percentage and its applications, isn't it? We have completed the lesson. Now we will discuss about the brain teasers. So in brain teasers, the first question and A. In that, the subdivision A, tick the correct option. 2.6% expressed as a decimal. So when you express 2.6%, now 2.6, how do you write? 2.6% means in the denominator 100. That means the decimal place 2 zeros means the decimal place moves to the left 2 steps. Yes or no? So decimal lesson, hope you remember, when you divide by 10, the decimal place moves to 1 place left. When you divide by 100, it moves 2 steps. How many zeros are there? That many steps. याद आया? तो 2.6 upon 100, 2 zeros, इसके लिए 2.6 लिखने का इधर था 1 step एंड सेकेंड स्टेप के लिए एक्स्ट्रा 0 डालना पड़ता है और डेसिमल और 0. सो द आंसर इज 0.026. नाउ व्हाट परसेंट इज हाफ डजन ऑफ 1 स्कोर? हाफ डजन ऑफ 1 स्कोर परसेंट. ओके, what percent is half dozen of 1 score? So half dozen of 1 score. 1 dozen is equal to how much? 12. Isn't it? So that means half into 12 of 1 score is 20. That is 2 ones are 2 6 are, that is 6 of 20. Now we have to find out the percent. So percent of half dozen of 1 score is equal to 6 by, it is 6 of 20 means 6 by 20 and percent means multiply by 100. समझ में आ गए? So 1 dozen of 1 score, half dozen of 1 score. Half dozen is 6, score is 20. So 6 by 20 convert into percent. So multiply by 100. So 21s are 25s are, so 6 5s are, it is 30%. So answer is which option? Third option. Now CP is 75, SP is 100. Find gain or loss percent. So it is a CP is equal to 75. SP is equal to rupees 100. Which is greater? SP is greater than CP. When SP is greater, what will you get? Profit. That means gain is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 100, CP is 75. So you will get gain of rupees 25. Now the profit percent. Here everywhere gain is given. So we'll write profit percent or gain percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Profit how much you got? 25. CP how much you got? CP is 75 and into 100. You know 25 ones are 25 threes are. That means 100 upon 3. बार बार ऐसे नंबर्स आते हैं. So 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 1 remains 1 by 3. So it is a gain of 33 1 by 3%. That is the first option. Is it clear? Now question number D. It is a gain or loss percent is always calculated on. तो ये मैं समझाई थी प्रॉफिट परसेंट या लॉस परसेंट. सो डिनोमिनेटर में आप लोग क्या लेते हो? इट इज अ CP, isn't it? So it is calculated on CP. Now coming to the question number E. 33 1 by 3% of 1.5 minutes. Okay, 33 and a half 1 by 3% of 1.5 minutes is equal to, convert this, 33 threes are 99 plus 1 100, 100 by 3% of. Now convert 1.5 minutes means how many seconds? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and half minute is equal to 30 seconds. So 1.5 will be 90 seconds. Yes or no? So it is 100 by 3% of 90 seconds. Now 100 by 3% means in the denominator 100, of matlab multiplication 90. 100 100 cut ones are, isn't it? Now 3 ones are and 3 30s are. So answer is 30 seconds. Understood? It is 30 seconds. So we have completed question number 1A. Now coming to the question number BA. What is the number which is 5% more than 600? So remember all these, isn't it? So first we will find out 5%. 5% more than 600. For that first we have to find out 5% of 600 is equal to 5 by 100 into 600. 20 cut, you got 6 5s are 30. Now 5% more than 600. It is earlier, how much it is? 600, and 5% of 600 is 30. So you got answer 630. Is it clear? Now coming to question number B. Find the simple interest on rupees 200 at 5% per annum for 6 months. तो क्या क्या दिया है? प्रिंसिपल है ना, रुपीज 200, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 5% और टाइम is given 6 months. So always the time has to be in a years. So years के लिए कैसे करते हैं? मंथ्स में दिया है तो डिवाइड बाय 12. 6 ones are 6 twos are, that is 1 by 2 years. Now SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. P is 200, R is 5, T is half, and in the denominator 100. 0 0 cut, and this is 1 ones. So SI is how much? Rupees 5. Hope everyone understood. Okay. Now, if 140 is reduced to 112, what percent is the reduction? 140 से 112 के लिए कम किया, reduced. ओके, तो जो कम किया उसका परसेंट कितना? तो इसके लिए पहले क्या लिखने का है? ऐसे वाले सम्स आप लोगों को वर्कशीट्स में नहीं आए, ये नया टाइप का है, तो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड. सो फर्स्ट, कहाँ से कहाँ आया? सो स्टार्टिंग का कितना था? इनिशियल वैल्यू कितना? 140. अभी फाइनल वैल्यू कहाँ तक आया? 112. अभी डिफरेंस इनिशियल वैल्यू 140 है और फाइनल वैल्यू 112. डिफरेंस सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. देखो 10 - 2 8. इधर अभी 3 है. 3 - 1 is 2. ठीक है. अभी आप लोग परसेंट ऑफ रिडक्शन, डिफरेंस कितना आया? 28. और कहाँ से? इनिशियल वैल्यू लेने का. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर में इनिशियल वैल्यू और परसेंट के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. 0 0 कट. 14 ones are 14 twos are. That means 2 tens are 20%. Did you understand this type of a sums? इंक्रीज्ड के लिए भी डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करने का, इनिशियल वैल्यू को डिनोमिनेटर में डालने का. सो reduced 140 is reduced to 112. So write initial value, the final value, difference, then percent. Percent के लिए difference upon the initial value into 100. Is it clear? So that was question number B, subdivision C. Okay, coming to the question number B, subdivision D. What is 12% of 0.5 meter? Now, 12% of 0.5 meter. अभी 0.5 मीटर तो 1 मीटर से कम, सो कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर. सो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. सो 0.5 मीटर इज इक्वल टू, इट इज 0.5 इंटू 100, है ना. सो इट बिकम्स 500 एंड 1 डेसिमल. सो इधर डालेंगे तो कितना आया? 50 सेंटीमीटर. इज इट क्लियर? सो पहले लिखो 12% ऑफ 50 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ कैलकुलेट. 12% मतलब 12/100 इंटू 50. 50 ones are 50 twos are 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 ones are 6 centimeter. So 1 meter और 1 से कम रहेगा, you have to convert into the smaller unit. Okay, coming to the question number E. If SP, okay, SP is equal to rupees 260, profit is equal to rupees 60, find profit percent. लेकिन प्रॉफिट परसेंट के लिए आप लोगों को पहले CP फाइंड आउट करने का. है ना। क्यों? क्योंकि प्रॉफिट परसेंट के लिए डिनोमिनेटर में सीपी आता है फॉर्मूला में, है ना। सो सीपी कितना है? सो फाइंड आउट सीपी इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट रहेगा तो सी कौन सा बड़ा है? एसपी बड़ा है। सो फॉर्मूला क्या है? सीपी इज इक्वल टू एसपी माइनस प्रॉफिट। दैट मीन्स ₹260 minus 60. So that is a CP is ₹200. Please remember this. So if they have not given the CP, you have to find out the CP. Now profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Profit is how much? 60. CP is how much? 200 into 100. 2020 cut. 2 ones are 2 30s are. So 30%. Is it clear? So to find out profit percent or loss percent, you have to find out CP. When if it is not given, find it out, then you proceed. Hope everyone understood this much. Now coming to the second question. We have completed first question A and B sections. Now the second question, it is find the value of 33 1/3% of 9012 means it is a 33 1/3 means what? It is a 33 3s are 100, 100 plus 99, 99 plus 1 100. बार बार ऐसे वाले सम्स आए हैं, है ना, सेम वैल्यूज. सो 100/3% of 9012. Okay, now 100/3% का मतलब डिनोमिनेटर में 100, ऑफ का मतलब इंटू 9012, 2020 कट. नाउ 3 के टेबल में जाएगा 9 and 12, 9 plus 1 10 12, isn't it? Yes, divisibility test में yes, 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are. अभी थोड़ा केयरफुल रहने का. 3 how much 1 नहीं जाता है, इसके लिए 0. अभी ये 1 इधर जाएगा, है ना. 3 4s are 12. So answer is 3004. प्लीज ये 3 3s are 3 zeros are, फिर ये 1 छोटा है इसके लिए उधर 0 डालने का और ये 1 को नेक्स्ट में लेने का. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू बी. इट इज 25% of 10% of 1 kg. 1 kg रहेगा. मैं क्या बोली थी? It has to be converted into the smaller unit. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. पहले ये कन्वर्ट करके ले लो. अभी 25% मतलब 25/100, ऑफ मतलब मल्टीप्लीकेशन. 10% 10/100, ऑफ का मतलब मल्टीप्लीकेशन 1000. Now 2020 cut, 1010 cut, this 1010 cut. So you got 25 what? Gram. Is it clear? Now coming to the third sum, 12.5% less than. So first you have to find out 12.5% of 16 hours. That is 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2% of 16 hours. That is 25 by 2%, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर में 100 और 16. So it becomes 25 ones are 25 fours are. Now 4 ones are 4 fours are. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is 2 hours. Now 12 1 by 2% less than 16 hours. Means what? 16 minus 2. Less मतलब minus है ना? Hours is equal to 14 hours. Did you understand this? Hope everyone understood this. Less than वाला sum सब already हम किए थे. So I don't think you will be having any problem with this. Okay, then we have completed up to brain teasers up to third question. Thank you. Bye.